This is how you apply an orange peel texture. First, you want to prime the area to be textured to allow for proper adhesion. Next, you can prep the texture can by shaking it for 1 full minute till you hear that marble start to rattle. You may not hear that marble immediately, but it'll come. Then you can spray it into a trash can to clear the nozzle and allow for proper spray pattern and product consistency. You can also practice spraying on a piece of cardboard to familiarize yourself with the product and to practice matching to your existing pattern. Now you're ready to retexture the area. Apply the texture in a continuous circular motion, feathering the texture into the existing pattern. Heavier patterns may require more than 1 coat. Once it's dry, simply paint the area. When you're finished and before you store the product, make sure you clean the nozzle out by tipping it upside down in a trash can and spraying it until it comes out clear. For more Homax projects and product information, check out homaxproducts.com.